in the last lecture we have studied about the subtraction of algebraic expressions. That means we are learning chapter number 8, in that operations on algebraic expression. So in that we have studied about addition, subtraction. Now today we are going to see about multiplication of algebraic expression. Okay, so first we will see multiplication, multiplying a monomial by monomial. Okay, that we will see. For example, suppose if you want to multiply 3x into 2y, 3x into 2y, if you want to multiply, how you will multiply? This is monomial, this is also monomial, right? So what you have to do, first we will take the coefficient. Now you know the coefficient, 3 into 2. Then we will take x variable, y variable. Okay, then 3 into 2, 6, and your answer x, y. This is how you have to multiply. One more example we will take, 3x into 12y. Suppose this is the example. How you will do? First we will take the coefficient, 3 into 12. Then we will write variable of first monomial, that is x. Then we will take y. Okay. So 12 3s are 36. 36x y. This is how the multiplication is done. Then one more example we will see here. See here now again another example, because sometimes multiplication little bit find it difficult. Okay. Now minus 12x, okay, into 3y square. This is the example. How to solve it? Now here what did you take? Again here x coefficient is minus 12. Multiply by y coefficient, y square coefficient is 3. Then into x into y square, right? Or y square you can write as y into y. That way also you can write. Now you have learned that minus into plus, minus plus will become minus, and 12 3s are 36 x y square. This is how you have to solve the multiplication. Means you have to take the coefficient separately and then write the variable separately and then multiply coefficient, and this you know that when the power is 2, power is 1 here. So x I have written as it is y square. So minus 36x y square. Then one more example we will see here. Now see, 2a square into 3ab square. So in this, now again I will take the coefficient, 2 into 3. Then a square. Then I will take the coefficient of this, not the coefficient, variable, a and b square. Now 3 into 2, 6. Now a square into a, so this will become a cube into b square. So your answer is 6a cube b square. One more example we will see, minus 3x square into minus 4xy. Okay. Now again here we will take the coefficient. Now I am taking the coefficient of x square, that is minus 3 into minus 4. Then into x square into x into y. So I have taken the coefficient of this first and a variable of this, and then I have taken the variable of this. Now minus minus will become plus. 3 4s are 12 x cube y. Understood? That means first you will multiply the coefficient and then you will go for the variable. Okay? Have you understood this? This is what is the solved example. examples which are there in your textbook. Now this is the very simple when you are multiplying monomial with monomial. Now we are going to see multiplying a binomial by a monomial. Now see, this is x into x plus y. So in this case, x is the monomial and x plus y is the binomial. So when you have to solve such type of sum, then what do you do? Now see, first you will multiply x into x. So I will write here x into x. Then I will write plus sign as it is. Then I will multiply x into y. So x into y. So my answer will be x into x is x square plus xy. This is how you have to solve. Now this is again a simple example. We will see little different. Now see, another example is 7x minus 6y, okay, multiplied by 3z. How to solve this? Now in this case, first what we will do, first we will open the bracket. So when you are opening the bracket, what you have to do, each term will be multiplied by outside term, like, okay, so I am opening the bracket. So 7x into 3z I will write 7x into 3z minus sign as it is. Then I multiply 6y into 3z. Okay, term to term multiplication I have done. I have opened the bracket. Understood this much up? Now what did you do? Now again you will bring the coefficient. First you will write the coefficient. So 7 into 3. Then I will write x. Then I will write the z. Minus, again I will write coefficient 6 into 3 into y into z. Now 7 3s are 21. X z minus 6 3s are 18 y z. This is how the multiplying a binomial by monomial. I repeat, see, 7x minus 6y into 3z. So I have opened the bracket, term to term multiplication, then I have brought the coefficient together, variables together, and then I have done the multiplication. Okay. Now this is how is one topic. Now next topic is, that is the multiplying a binomial by binomial. For example, 3x plus 4y into 5x plus 7y. Now when you have multiplying like this, first we will multiply by 5x. Multiplying 5x with this. So when I am multiplying by 5x, what I will write? 5 3s are 15. Coefficient multiplication I have done. X into x is x square. Plus 5 4s are 20. X into y. So xy. Now I am multiplying with 7y. When I am multiplying with 7y, I will write it over here. 7 3s are 21 xy. Okay. Plus what I will do? 7 4s are 28. Y into y square. Okay. Then we will add it. When we will add 15x square plus 41xy plus 28y square. Okay, this we have added. This is how it is a vertical way we have multiplied. Now we will multiply in a horizontal manner. Okay, how to multiply in a horizontal manner? We have, you know that horizontal arrangement and vertical arrangement. Now when you are multiplying by horizontal, 3x plus 4y into 5x plus 7y. Now when you are multiplying binomial with binomial, how to do it? Now for that, first we will take this binomial. Now in that first we will take 3x. So I am taking 3x here. I am multiplying 3x by this. So 3x into 5x plus 7y. Okay, plus now I am taking the second, 4y into 5x plus 7y. Means I am taking one term. 3x I am multiplying with this plus 4y into this. Now I will open the bracket. So when we are opening 3x into 5x plus 3x into 7y plus 4y into 5x plus 4y into 7y. Okay. Now I will take the coefficient together. 3 into 5 into x into x. Okay. This I have done. Now I will take this. So plus 3 into 7 into x into y plus, now I am taking this, 4 into 5. Then I will take y and x, y into x. Now I am considering this plus 4 into 7 into y into y. Okay, so I have taken coefficients together and then the variable. Now 3 5s are 15, x into x, x square, plus 7 3s are 21, x y, plus 5 4s are 20, x y. Now see, whenever in the multiplication you can write x y or y x. It is easy, but normally we pronounce x y together. So it is easy to say. 7 4s are 28. 28 y square. Now what you can see, these two are like terms, so you can add. That we have learned. Now this you cannot add because the power is different, so I will write as it is 15x square plus, now as the variables are same, so we can add the term. They are the like term. Now you know the which are like and unlike term, whereas this 15x square and 28y square, they are unlike terms, so you cannot add. So 21xy plus 20xy is 41xy plus 28y square. Okay, understood? This is how the binomial is multiplied by binomial. Means 1 to 1 you have to multiply, then open the bracket, bring the coefficients together first, then write the variable and then go on. Then if the like terms if you get, then add or subtract accordingly. Okay, this is one example. Now last example which is there in your textbook, the solved one that we will see, it is a word problem. Now, and that the question is, find the area of the rectangular field whose length given as length is 2x plus 7 and 2x plus 7 meter and breadth is x plus 2. x plus 2 meter. Now if you see, this is the binomial, these are the terms which are given, length and breadth are given. Now in this is actually, if you see, this is binomial, but in that binomial what you can see here, the constant is also there, right? So what is the formula for a rectangle? Area of a rectangle, area of a rectangular field it is mentioned. So rectangular field means you will use the formula for area of a rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. So what you will do? Length is 2x plus 7 into x plus 2. Now when you are multiplying, what you will do? Now 2x. First I will take 2x. 2x into x plus 2 plus 7 into x plus 2. Okay. Now 2x into x plus 2x into 2. Okay, I have opened the first bracket. Now means 2x into x, 2x into 2 plus I will write 7 into x plus 7 into 2. Okay. Now what did you do? 2 into 2, 2x into x is 2x square plus 2x plus 2, 2x into 2. So you will get 2 2s are 4, 4x plus 7x plus 7 2s are 14. Now if you see here 7x and 4x and 7x, they are like terms, so you will add. So 2x square plus 7 plus 4, how much? 4 plus 7, 11x plus 14. This is what is your answer is. And what answer you will write? Area of a rectangular field is equal to 2x square plus 11x plus 14 meter square. 1 meter square. Now see again, because this is length is also in meter and breadth is also in meter, and whenever you will report the final answer, you will write the unit. So when you will write the unit, area of a rectangular field is equal to 2x square plus 11x plus 14 meter square. You will report with the unit. Have you understood this? That means length into breadth you have to do. Then you will take one term, multiplication, like terms together, addition, subtraction, everything will be there, and you will get the final answer. Now this is, today we have learned about multiplying monomial by monomial and binomial by monomial, binomial by binomial also. In the next lecture we are going to see the exercise, the practice set 35. Okay, thank you.